Hello, guys. Good day, and welcome to another monthly catch up, season 3, episode 34. So, this month I am making this our bag, our best selling bag for the past 2 years now. A client requested for some, so I have to just produce it as soon as I can. They make this request few days ago, but I didn't have time to do it, so I just have to do it from today till tomorrow morning because I have to deliver it tomorrow. If you remember those two there that I say a client pick from last month's catch up, so a friend of the lady that picked this also wants this particular one. So I checked the workshop if we still have this fabric left. I discovered that we have, and I told her it is available. So instead of just making one, I decided to make two of this particular one of that and one of that fabric. But I still have the chance to make two or three from now till tomorrow morning, and I'll try my best because I think they will be traveling. They just messaged me on IG right now that can they take delivery of it tomorrow. I've not even responded. I want to start this fully and see where I stop. Then maybe in the next few hours I will be responding to their message to make them know to fix the time, maybe towards the evening or afternoon tomorrow. So, and I think she's from the US, but this one I don't know. I think she's from the US as well, but this one she'll be traveling very soon. That's why she wants this for her sister. She, I think 2 months ago, she actually bought four from me for her siblings, and she's buying this two again. I think they saw it and they love it. She has have one from last year, so that's the reason why she's buying more. So follow me up. I'll try my best to film a time lapse to see if we can finish this up. So by the way, guys, tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, tomorrow is Tuesday, and next tomorrow is Wednesday, which is Salah. So, and I don't want to. Initially, I was not supposed to work, but based on this client, they are one of my good clients and patronize me a lot, so I can't refuse them. That's why I want to make this as soon as I can, and I will see if I'm going to deliver it tomorrow. I will be delivering this personally. Okay, we'll be meeting. We fix a place where we'll be meeting. If I go there tomorrow, I will see if I can film. If I don't forget, because I usually tell you guys I will film and I will end up not filming. But I will try my best and see what will come out of it tomorrow. So that's what we'll be doing. You guys remember this particular design now? For those of you who are new to the channel, so this is all the basic measurements. So you guys should just follow up and see what we'll be doing. So see you at the continuation. And by the way, before I continue, this particular bag we make last month is still here. The client is not feeling too good, so we still keep it for the one. I want it to feel better, so we've shown he love it, but there are some things we need to fix. Like there's a tassel we're supposed to put on this chain, so I'll be working on that pretty very soon. So I don't know if I can include that in this month, or maybe when I do that I might not include it, but I'm just telling you guys now. So that is just by the way. Let me proceed with my work. Thank you for being here, and I will see you at the continuation. So guys, welcome back. I took a short break and I'm back to continue. So most of the stuff are gum, like the front panel, the button and the back, the gussets, the taping for the gussets and the main gusset itself, because this bag comes with two kind of gussets. This is the main gusset that is going to contain the D-ring, and the D-rings are there and the back fit. So here I'm going to start punching out where the lock is going to be on the handle. As you can see, everything is marked out. And then I'll proceed to the back fits at the bottom of the bag. Then after that, take this to the machine and make sure I sew it down. So from there we continue. Everything is step by step and it is pre-planned. I won't be able to show every aspect of this because it's a paid tutorial, but you know, as I'm updating you on what happens at the workshop, that's why you get to watch and see the process of me making this. So guys, let me continue. There's no much time, it's already late. I think this is around past 10 going to 11, and I need to finish this midnight. This is, you can see, this is 10:38 p.m. today, Monday 25th. I need to deliver this tomorrow afternoon, so I have to finish everything, whatever I have to do tonight. Actually, among these three bags I'm making now, is just one we need, but I decided to make the three, and let's see in the next 2 hours, let's see if I'm able to finish this by 1 o'clock. Then from there I'll be heading back to my home. Actually, this studio here, my home, is close by, just like a 5 minutes walk from here to my home. So finger crossed, let me see what I can finish. If it's getting too late, I'll just try and focus on finish the one and make sure everything is well produced. Then we deliver it tomorrow morning, and once I come back I'll proceed with the rest. But I don't know yet, but let's continue and see how it goes. Keep watching. So guys, welcome back. It is almost to 2 now. This is midnight, so I was able to finish this one completely. I can finish the 2 as well, but I need to go home because I don't want to stay over at the workshop. So let me go rest. Tomorrow we'll continue. So it's just for me to assemble this one. Everything is done on the body. I've even assemble. I've finished sewing this 3 rope, as you can see. It's just for me to assemble this one. A majority of them I've sewn, as you can see. Stitch this one, I've also stitched all this one. It's just for me to do that. So guys, see you tomorrow morning. It's already late, as you guys can see. This is 1:45, almost to 2. So see you tomorrow. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. I came this morning very early and I'm done with this. Let me show you how early I came. This is 7, right? And I think I came here around to 6. So you see, it took me just about an hour and a half to assemble this 2. This is the one I make previously, and this is the 2 I just make today. As you guys can see, we have the bag. They are looking nice. Let me see, capture this from here. So we have this one, and that one of the same color and the same pattern, but among these 2, one I interchanged the pattern. As you can see, this one, the pattern is facing this side, while this one is facing this side. So if we put it aside, it's just like a twin. You guys see it? So one of these is matching that one there, which is this particular one. So I'll be giving the clients, one person owns the 2, then another person owns this one. So I'll be giving them this one, so that when they put it compared to each other, it's one pattern will be facing one side and the other one is facing another side. So that's just it so far. So in the next few hours now, I will be going out, try to deliver this. So whichever way it goes, if I'm able to film or vlog there, I will do. If I can't, then once I'm back or in the next subsequent updates, you guys will see the continuation. So we still have more back to work on. We have this one, I will still have few there, and I need to make some pause too, as well as we have fair during the weekend. But I don't know how it's going to go, but I will try my best to achieve something before then. So enough talking. Let me end it here and continue later on. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So we start some project again. We are making some posts. This is the frame for the post. I have also cut some, as you can see them. I have it here. It's of two sides, so I put this one here to maintain the shape before tomorrow when we will continue, and I have those one there, so it's mixture of different material. So I promise you guys that when I went to deliver the bag I'm going to film, I didn't remember to film. We also attend the fair, I didn't remember to film there, but I made some short video for Instagram, so I will see if I can include it in this catch up or maybe show some pictures. So I also went market. I didn't film. I went shopping. We shop for a lot of ashoke. As you can see, we have some top here. Some are also at the bottom, and we also shop for some fabric we'll be using. So I think tomorrow when I come, if I am able to come earlier and if I remember, I will show you the fabric and those ashoke there, because it's already late, so I need to head home now. As you can see, this is 10:50 going to 11, so I need to head home. So that's just it so far. The workshop is still the way it is. We have new stuff. I think we have new stuff, right? Those bag I make few as of last month, they are there. The rest I was supposed to make, I didn't make them. I've not made them. So the fabric, the leather is still there, and few are under that particular side as well. So that's just the update. So tomorrow I will keep you updated. Whatever I do tomorrow will end the catch up there. So the next month catch up, you guys will see the making and the rest of the clutch purse and whatever happens at the workshop as well. We also have a project we will be making for somebody, one of a big sculpture in Nigeria, Dotun Popola. So we are also making some bags for him, or I don't know how it's going to be, but I'll try my best to film the making of those bags. So we should be starting by next week, which is not going to be included in this month's catch up. So it's a separate video on its own, but next month, if I'm able to just like sneak some of the pics into it, you guys will watch. So guys, enough talking. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So as I promised, there's a pause we are making. I'm making few, even though I've cut a lot of the interface there and the frame. So I am making few pause. I think two big and two small one, two large one and two smaller ones. Okay, no, three smaller ones. To finish this before tomorrow, and I'm making this particular big tote bag. Is a new kind of design bag. It's the same thing you see on there. So that is the kind of purse. Let me go show you this one I'm also making one before tomorrow. The purse is just one I need, or let me say two. I need two, so I decide to just make that's six I'm making, two big and three, okay, five. So I just need to finish before tomorrow. So this is the kind of bag I'm making. As you can see, it has a back fits, and the top it has a zip here and everything, and this is the kind of clutch purse I'm making. This is the large one, so you see the small one as well. But on this particular project, I won't be able to show any of it because I'm supposed to edit this this video in the next 1 or 2 hours and try to upload it before midnight. So I don't know how this is going to go, but I will try my best. But I don't think I will be showing you more of this, except if I'm just going to show you a time lapse of me cutting those things. So other than that, I don't think there's not anything again. Maybe let me see if I can show you the time lapse and come back then just show you whatever I've done before ending the video. So guys, stay tuned. Next month we have interesting things to show you. Those bags, this one and the rest. And you see, we still have more. We still have new software we need to work on. So guys, that's just it for now. Thank you for being here. watch and enjoy. So, guys, welcome back to the continuation. As I've promised yesterday, I didn't later film or show you this, so I just decided to show you. I didn't finish this one. The one I'm actually going to deliver, I finished it. I finished this particular bag. Then I finished this clutch purse and this clutch purse as well. These are called Baraha clutch purse because the first client is a Baraha. So this is another one too, as you can see. So this is what we've made this month so far. So let me see if I can use this as a thumbnails for this particular month. So guys, that is it for you. Hope you guys really enjoying this, and I will see you at next month's catch up where I finish the rest of this one. Those back there, this one here, these are some here, and those are some there. So whichever way it goes, you guys will catch up next month and watch a lot. Thank you for being here, and see you at the continuation. See you at next month.